In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set favicon images in Clickfunnel. A favicon is that tiny icon you see in your browser tab, usually next to the page title. It might seem like a small detail, but it makes your site look polished, professional, and easy to recognize when people have multiple tabs open. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go in Clickfunnels to set it up, and what kind of image works best so it looks clean and sharp. First, make sure you're logged into your Clickfunnels workspace. On the left-hand side of your screen, you'll see a vertical menu with different apps and sections. Look for the option called Site and Blog. Go ahead and click on that. This is where Clickfunnels keeps all the settings related to your overall website, not just individual funnels or pages. Once you're inside the Site and Blog app, you'll see a few different options, but what we're interested in is Site Settings. Click into Site Settings. This is the control center for things like site details, branding, and some global configuration options that apply across your site. Inside Site Settings, scroll until you find the section labeled Site Information. This is where Clickfunnels lets you define important branding details, and it's also where you'll find the field for your favicon. Take a moment to locate the Site Favicon field. It may look like an image placeholder or a button that says something like Upload or Choose Image. When you see the favicon field, click to upload your image. This should be a small version of your logo or a simple brand icon. Before you choose the file, it's worth checking a few requirements so it looks good and loads quickly. For the best results, use a 16 by 16 pixel or 32 by 32 pixel version of your logo or icon. These sizes are standard for favicons and keep the image from looking blurry or distorted in the browser tab. Also, keep the file size under 100 kilobytes. A smaller file loads faster, which helps your pages feel more responsive. Clickfunnels supports common image formats, including JPG, PNG, SVG, GIF, WebP, and ICO. If you already have a logo file in one of these formats, you're good to go. After you upload your favicon, save your changes in site settings, then open your site in a new tab or refresh an existing tab, and you should see your new favicon displayed in the browser tab, giving your Clickfunnels site a more polished, branded look.